find out what dealing rooms are saying, and what better place to get it from other than NSE, and Nimesh is right there. Nimesh, it's tough, right? You almost feel, looking at the market action, that people have gone on holiday, the trading action would be muted. So I'm curious to hear what you have to say.
Well, Nima, it's really a struggle to find out what's really happening in the markets. No feedback, no dealers, no flows, absolutely nothing. It's pretty much quiet. Even the Nifty seems to be pretty much in that very narrow range, mid cap, small cap. Everything seems to be in a very narrow range, and even the flows are quite muted as well. I guess from a sector point of view, some bit of traction is seen in the oil and gas stocks, and within that is basically the gas companies which has seen a bit of a up move today on the back of some reports of some relief there. So that's one sector which has done well, and some selective buying in the auto names as well. So these are the two sectors which stand out. But again, pretty much even in the broader market, it's been pretty quiet. From a technical point of view, the range to watch out is on the downside. 23,350 is a very crucial support on the Nifty, so that's to watch out for. And on the upside, 24,350 is the range which will now act as a very strong resistance. So Nifty, looks like it's going to be in a range of the 1,000 points at least in the next few days from here on. But as you rightly said, very muted flows. There is not much action as well. And as days go by towards the year end, you won't see even these kind of volumes in the last couple of days.
And stocks?
So in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list is Ola Electric. While the stock has been consolidating in a narrow range, some flow seems to have emerged from larger HNIs is what I understand. And also all eyes will be on the announcement of those 4,000 store opening. That could be a near-term trigger for Ola Electric. So that's something to track there. The second stock is Vishal Mega Mart, a recent listing. After the listing, you've seen a bit of a consolidation in that stock as well, but the flows have resumed from larger FIs is what I understand. And leading long-only fund seems to be an active buyer in Vishal Mega Mart, at this level. So that's the second stock. The third name is Tata Motors. Up and buzzing in today's trade, up to 1% last I checked. The volumes have picked up as well. Couple of reasons why the stock is buzzing in trade. One, the selling pressure seems to be largely over from some larger FIs. And two, the street anticipates some clarity or some announcements from the company with regards to their EV penetration going forward. So that's something to watch out for in Tata Motors. And the last one is Tina Rubber. Again, a small stock. We don't talk too much about that name. Well, over the last couple of months, the stock has been in a range-bound trade. But I understand the company is likely to raise funds via QIP very soon. So that's a trigger in Tina Rubber.
Okay, all right. Thanks, Nimesh, very much for getting us whatever little inputs that you were able to gather. But otherwise, yeah, it's a fact the market is completely getting into holiday mood with the midweek holiday coming up.